of being able to, are we at the cusp of moving forward on some of this stuff?
I mean, innovation is a journey of a lifetime. It takes a long time, right, for anyone or any individual, any company to actually be globally world-class innovation, right? From scratch.
We just heard the Moderna story, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, innovation, I understand that you need to have an ecosystem and so on and so forth, but we can't be sitting here and having the same conversation year after year. Surely something has to give.
That's true, but I think the building blocks have to be put in place, right, for to be successful. It's not something that you can wish for and it's going to happen, right? I mean, I think the country has made a lot of progress and continues to make a lot of progress, right? And I think as the pharmaceutical industry also, as some of the leading companies get bigger in scale and are able to dominate the value chain in other areas like generics, branded generics, their ability to put more capital into innovation also increases and to take more risks and take some bets on innovation. So it's a factor of many different attributes which have to go together to move up the value chain.
No, I agree with you that it requires that ecosystem effect to kick in. But Mahima, since we are talking about opportunities at this point in time, partnerships, is that going to be a crucial way for the Indian pharmaceutical industry to move up the value chain at this point in time? How do you look at that, especially in light of your own experience?
No, absolutely. I think it's been historically pretty crucial, particularly when it comes to novel products, and it's certainly a way to have, address the capital issue, address the risk issue. So partnerships going forward, I think, are going to be extremely key, whether it's in vaccines or biosimilars or therapeutics, but they already exist and they're increasing, particularly in novel products. Would those partnerships result in more access in our country, or again, is it just going to be much more of a global access opportunity? Is a different story. Yeah.
Nandini?
I think one of the things Indian industry needs to do is actually continue to focus on quality. The FDA and other global regulators have started, re-auditing every one of us. And I think when we talk to other people, they've all become tougher. Right, so they're raising the bar in terms of quality and process and even digitization and expectations of that. And I think as an industry, that's one of the things that we have to continue to work on. It's a journey. It will take 23 years or longer, but I think we can do that.
And Nandini, you've touched upon a very important issue, and I think that this is an issue that at this point in time, Indian industry is also grappling with front and center, and that is the issue of quality. Forget the 483s that come regularly the way of many companies, and those are dealt with. But on the issue that we've seen happen in the last few months with WHO warnings and so on and so forth, is there a confidence erosion at this point in time, and what do you believe the response needs to be to arrest that?
I do think as a domestic industry as well, we need to